How to fix a blurry or unfocused camera on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get your camera back to taking sharp, clear photos on your Android device. First, open the camera app on your Android device and tap on the screen where you want to focus to manually set the focus point. After that, if the camera is still blurry, check the lens on the back of your phone and gently wipe it clean with a soft, dry cloth, as smudges and dust are one of the most common reasons for blurry photos. From there, close the camera app completely and reopen it to give it a fresh start. At this point, if the issue persists, go to your home screen and long press on the camera app icon. In the next step, tap on App Info and then tap on Storage. Following this, tap on Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be affecting the camera performance. Once done, go back and open the camera app again to test if the focus has improved. From here, also make sure your camera is not stuck in a specific mode like portrait or macro, which can sometimes cause focusing issues in normal shooting conditions. At this stage, open the Google Play Store and check if there is a software update available for your device under Settings and Software Update. After this, if an update is available, tap on Download and Install and restart your phone once it is done. Finally, if the camera is still not focusing properly after all these steps, go to Settings, tap on Apps, find the camera app, and tap on Reset to Default to fully reset all camera settings back to their original state. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your blurry camera, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.